Hey everyone. So today I'm going to go over my HESI A2 exam. Okay. I took this exam at the Votech. Um, I did buy the HESI A2 study guide 2018-2019. I'm going to let you guys know that it did help somewhat. Um, but like a lot of stuff was not on the test. Um, what was on my test was grammar, vocab, reading comp, math, and biology. Okay, I didn't have A&P or chemistry. Okay, guys. So first, I'm gonna go over the math section, which I did pretty well on it. Just get into my computer. Can you? Okay, so I have like direct access into my exam. I could see what questions I missed, not the exact question, but what they were about. They also give me a study guide on exactly um, what I missed and what I should study for. Okay, so let's go over the math section first. So my math section was decimals. I had 9 questions on. Fractions, I had 14 questions on. Household measures, I had 7 questions on. I had 8 questions on general math and algebra. Let's see how many questions I had. I had 19 questions on. Okay, so let's see. Now, the topics I had, I'm not going to like stress this. Um, Equations, eh. Solving for x, I didn't have a lot of questions on. What I had a lot of questions on is ratios to proportions. Okay, guys? You guys need to know what ratio to proportions are, okay? Now, I'm going to show you what a ratio to proportion is. And, okay, let's say you have this, guys. 2 to 20 equals x to 100, okay? You need to solve for x. What is x? So all I did, guys, was I took 20 divided by 2, which is 10, and then 100 divided by 10, which is 10. So your answer would be 10, because 100 divided by 10 is 10. Okay? There's another way for you guys to do it. I just think it's easiest to divide the other side and then setting up fractions. You could set it up like that. 2 to 20 equals x to 100, okay? So you're going to solve for x, okay? You could set it up like that. I just feel like it's a lot easier to divide. And you have a calculator. There's also a calculator inside the exam. So you'll have 2 calculators that you could use. You guys will have to know. Hi. You guys will have to do fractions, multiplying fractions, kilograms to grams, liters, meters to kilometers, for ratios to proportions, ratios, multiplying and subtracting, and then solving for x and solve the equation. And that's about it. So let's go over the biology section. I did horrible, which caused me to fail the test. I didn't study any. I only studied anatomy and physiology and chem. So, let me show you guys. I had 30 questions on my. You guys can see that. Okay. So those were 30 questions I had on biology. Okay, let me see. So I can actually go in and, like I said before, see exactly what I missed. Why is my internet so slow? And I can go in and I can review the materials. So if I go in, I review it. Okay, good. Okay, biology. Okay, so then it actually gives me, I don't know why my computer is being like really slow. It actually gives me like study guides. Okay. I don't know what's that. Okay. Anyways, if you guys want them, I'll give them to you guys. In those study guides, they actually tell me like hints, like the questions I missed on it, all the hints that basically your questions on the exam. So if I go through this, I don't know what they are. I'm disaster right now. Okay, here's one. Okay. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Here's one of the HESI hints. So I'll have all that in the description for you guys because this wasn't supposed to be a live video. It's just that my computer kept kicking me out, so I decided to do live. I could save it. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna have to upload a video since my live is being very slow. And I'll give you guys all like here's another okay, whatever. So basically, I'll give you guys a detailed report for every subject. Like I said, I had 5 subjects, and I'll go over every subject for you guys. Have it all together. All right.